Could artificial intelligence be the golden ticket to a global economic boom? Picture this. By 2030, AI could potentially pump an additional $3 trillion into the global GDP annually. That's according to a recent report by PwC. And while the debate around automation and job losses continues, the World Economic Forum offers a silver lining. They predict that AI could potentially spawn 2.3 million new jobs across various sectors, including manufacturing, by 2030. Now, dream of a world where factories predict their own breakdowns, robots work hand in hand with humans, and wastage is slashed thanks to smarter systems. This is not just a scene from a sci-fi movie. Artificial intelligence is making these scenarios a reality, transforming the face of manufacturing as we know it. Let's delve into some real-world examples. Siemens, for instance, integrated AI-powered robots into their production line. The result? A whopping 30% reduction in welding defects and a 20% surge in production speed. Ford, on the other hand, adopted an AI-driven inventory management system. This move trimmed down raw material waste by 15%, saving the auto giant millions of dollars. GE Healthcare implemented an AI-powered predictive maintenance program, slashing unplanned downtime by half and boosting overall equipment effectiveness by 10%. And then we have Samsung, whose AI-powered vision system can detect product defects with an astounding 99.9% accuracy. This significantly cuts down on manufacturing recalls. Of course, with all these benefits, there are valid concerns too. Job displacement and data security top the list. However, these can be addressed. Companies can invest in reskilling programs for their workforce and set up strong data security measures. Governments and industries can join forces to draft ethical guidelines for AI implementation. This would ensure responsible use of AI and protection of worker rights. Organizations like the World Economic Forum and the Partnership on AI are already paving the way in this direction. So, are you ready to ride the wave of AI-powered manufacturing? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. This is the future, and it's closer than we think.